everyone, my name is Yamini Churi, class FYMMS, roll number MB21024, subsec Analysis of Financial Statement, college name SAS Institute of Management Studies Boisar. My topic name is Enterprise Value of a Firm. What is the enterprise value? Enterprise value is the measure of a company total value. It looks at the entire market value rather than just the equity value. So all ownership, interest and asset claim from both debt and equity are included. Enterprise value can be thought of as the effective cost of buying a company or a theoretical price of a target company before a takeover premium is considered. Where and when it is used. Enterprise value in a measure of a company's total value. It can be thought of as an estimate of the cost of purchase a company. EV accounts for a company's outstanding debt and liquid asset. EV is the often used as a more comprehensive alternative to equity market capitalization. Importance of enterprise value. It is the economic value of the business. It gives us an indication of the company theoretical takeover price. Stock market investors use it to reduce risks and compare returns. It assists in valuing capital intensive businesses and compare companies with different capital structures. Limitation in the calculation of enterprise value. Be aware of some drawbacks before you use the enterprise value formula. Enterprise value also includes total debt and you need to consider how the company uses this debt. Businesses typically have a high level of debt in capital intensive industries. This debt is used to stimulate growth, funding, investment, equipment, purchases, etc. These companies will see their enterprise value calculation based against them, but you might miss the larger picture if you rely solely on enterprise values. Enterprise value formula. Here a simple formula to calculate EV. EV is equal to market value of equity plus the market value of debt minus cash and other equivalent. Other formula is available in EV calculation. EV is equal to debt market value plus preferred share plus common shares plus minor interest minus cash and other equivalents. Example enterprise value calculation. Company A, outstanding share 510, share price 10, market value of equity 5100 plus debt 12500 plus preferred stock dash plus minority interest 500 minus cash and short term investment 2300. Enterprise value total 15800. Thank you.